Valentine's Day and you're planning a special get-together with your special someone. And you need a great adult beverage for the two of you to enjoy together. I've got a great idea. I found it on thekitchn.com, one of my favorite websites. They have great recipes and wonderful things to make. This is called From Russia with Love because they found it at the Russian Tea Room in New York. Made very simply, just a few items, my Veuve Clicquot, some Godiva dark chocolate liqueur, because who doesn't like chocolate, and Chambord, which is a black raspberry liqueur, and fresh raspberries for a garnish. Very, very simple. A couple raspberries in the bottom of the glass. And then you need your shot glass. It's a 1 ouncer. I can't find a 1/2 ounce, and it calls for a 1/2 ounce of each liqueur. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take our shot glass, 1/2 ounce of Chambord. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Just sort of a 1/2 ounce. 1/2 ounce of chocolate, because I'm trying to find something wrong with raspberries, chocolate, and champagne, which I've not found yet. Oops. Perfect. If you tilt it, you'll make a little bit less of a mess. Tilt and quick, right? And now you add the bubbles because that's my favorite part. Also, tilt, slow. The bubbles are coming up. It's so pretty. From Russia with Love. So if you've got a bunch of girls coming over for Valentine's, you can make a whole tray of these so quick. Happy Valentine.